So is it okay for you to make videos from anywhere for your business? Kind of like what I'm doing right now. I'm in my car making this video. Is it really a good idea? There is the matter of, okay, it's better to be done than perfect. There's also the matter of, is it going to be appropriate for your audience? Are they going to watch the video and think, that's cool, or, oh, that's not cool at all? That's where the question is, and that's what you have to kind of decide. Is it okay for your particular audience? Now, I'm doing this, and honestly, I don't like it. I'm going to be perfectly frank and say that I don't like the idea of making the video from the car just because I can make the video at any time. If it was something related to what was happening in the car, and it was something that I was going to say, right, okay, so I'm in my car making the video because I'm actually going to be talking to someone who is, I don't know, a car detailer or whatever, something like that. Something appropriate, I would say no problem. But if I'm just making it just to make it because I'm randomly thinking of something, I don't know if that's the best idea. I think that you still have to consider where you are, who you're talking to, what they expect from you. So if you're talking to an audience that is more of a professional nature, then definitely you want to make sure that that impression you're giving is always going to be professional. If you are someone that is maybe in a profession that is more casual, more relaxed with things like how you look or appear professionally, then it's probably okay. So I guess the question is your audience going to be okay with it? And I think that's something I brought up at the beginning of this is, as long as your audience is okay with it, that's probably going to be okay for you too. But I would still say err slightly on the side of caution, simply because, not that you don't want to offend anybody, but you don't want to offend anybody. You want to make sure that as a business and as a brand, for me personally, I think you want to make sure that you appeal to the people you're trying to appeal to. Sure, you're not going to make everybody happy, but you also don't want to upset people that you shouldn't be and that you needlessly would be upsetting. So think about that. If you're going to make videos from just anywhere, thinking, oh, I'm just going to suddenly make a video here, take a second, take a deep breath, and go, all right, is this going to serve my audience? And if so, how is it going to help them? Or is it just me wanting to make the video because I don't have time to make it? For whatever reason, whatever your reason is, no time, no other energy to do it, or you forgot to do it and you just need to get your video done. Consider that before you actually hit record wherever you are, like if you are in your car. If you have any questions about making videos and how they can be used for your business, please let me know. Give me some questions. I'd be more than happy to answer those and help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video that is hopefully not from the car.